Have you noticed the recent spike in climate sentiment? Right now, we're at a sentiment score of plus 0.19 and a momentum of plus 0.25, which is significantly above the historical baseline. This isn't just noise. It indicates growing optimism around climate initiatives. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of climate sentiment, including 20 semantic clusters that highlight key themes driving this change. Imagine building an app that leverages this data to help companies track the public's shifting attitudes toward sustainability practices. You could provide actionable insights that guide corporate strategies in real time. Ready to dive in? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.